So in the last lecture, we created an API app.post where the path was add student, and this API was created to receive the data posted from the form and then receiving it and then inserting it into our students info collection. In this video, we will create an API that reads the data from the collection student info and returns the data to the client. So to read data, we use the get method. So I will create an API app.get, and the first parameter for this method will be the path. So let me call it manage, and the second parameter is the callback function. So let's say I use the word async, and the parameters here are request and response. So arrow operator, curly brace, and here I write the code to get the data from the student infos collection. So I will use my student model dot find. If you see this command is similar to your SQL query select star from student infos. Okay, so in MongoDB, when we have to make this select query, first we specify the name of our model, and because inside the model the name of the collection is mentioned there. So if I go to my students.js file, and if you see my student model, the name of the collection is mentioned here. So I can access the collection student info through this student model. So the syntax is name of the model dot find. So find is your method to find the records from the collection. Okay, and if you are able to find the records, we will use our then method, and inside the then method the parameters are the result that is returned by the query, and the code here will return the data that has been fetched by this query. So I can just write res for response. I will use the send method, and the data which has been, because the data returned by the query will be stored in this result. So I will just send this result back to the client, and the catch method will be called if the query is not able to execute or if there are mistakes in some query. So here in this method, the argument in this callback function, the argument is the error. Okay, whatever name you want to give it, so this error will automatically get the kind of error because of which the query could not execute. This is my callback function, so arrow operator, and in the curly brace I can just display my error. So console dot error, and here it will display the error because of which the query could not be executed. So we will use this API in our React page. Thank you.